welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making suya, but before we get right into this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, so for this suya we'll be needing suya spice and pepper, but the pepper is actually optional. In my past videos I mentioned that I like spicy things, that's why I added pepper in mine. So this is cooking oil mixed with seasoning cubes. This you're going to use to coat the meat. So here's our meat. So let's just get right into cutting the meat. I mean slicing it in a very teeny way. So you're going to take your meat or beef and slice it as thin as possible, because if it's not thin it won't come out like suya. Okay, but please be careful while doing this, because I actually cut myself. You will see that very soon. I cut myself in this process, and yeah, just make sure you're very careful and make sure your knife is properly sharp so you can be able to get a perfect slice. So that's how you're going to slice your beef. You slice it like so. So yeah, I already cut myself, so I decided to turn off the camera and do the rest of camera, and this is how it all looks like after slicing them out, or after slicing the meat out. So this is me coating the meat with the cooking oil that I mixed with my seasoning cube. That you do that first before coating it with the suya sauce, suya spice and the pepper. So after doing that, the next thing you'll be doing is to coat it with the suya spice and pepper. I actually mixed the pepper and the suya spice together. As you can see here, that's the pepper and the suya spice. But like I said before, it is actually optional to add pepper if you don't like spicy things. But I actually like the way it came out. And you're putting on gloves before doing this because of the pepper that I added. You don't want to hurt yourself. So after coating the beef properly, you have to recoat it with the cooking oil mixed with seasoning cubes. You have to recoat it properly, and reason being that is because the beef wasn't seasoned before, so that will make the seasoning cubes, the oil, everything to enter into the to make it more seasoned. I hope you understand my English. I'm really sorry. So it's making more seasoned, yeah, and so it can taste really nice. So afterwards, after doing that, then the next thing is to put it in your oven. I guess I'm faster than the video, but yeah. So this is me recoating the beef. You can see how I coated it with the pepper, looking nice already. Like, oh goodness, this you really need to try this, trust me. Once you try this at home, I bet you won't buy suya outside anymore. I'm telling you, you won't buy suya outside anymore. I need to start doing this like once in a while. So this is the final look after recoating it with the cooking oil and seasoning cube, and you can see how it looks like. It looks as if it's like I just brought it out from the oven, which I'm just trying to put it into the oven. So this is how it looks like. I didn't have skewer, so I used toothpick. If you have skewer, you can use that to hold the meats together, but I didn't have, so I used toothpick for the small ones. And voila, this is the final delicious look. Oh goodness, like I said, once you try this at home, you won't buy suya outside anymore, trust me. So this is how it looks like finally. You can leave the toothpick in it, but I decided to pull each and every one of it out. And yeah, I served it with cabbage. You can serve it with onions, but I don't like raw onions, so just cabbage. Thank you for watching.